on a bit of bottom. Probably going to do a bit of top water. Try for, I've been told there's a few mackies around this reef, so maybe try for a mackie or something like that. And yeah, what else?
Let's hope there's a few jigs around as well. What we can get our hands on.
Maybe a GT. We'll see what the reef looks like anyway.
It's real golden, like comes out golden. It's fucking awesome.
Anthony's giving me the spiel on how to cook mackies. He might be getting slightly ahead of himself. But a heap of bait and that just here. Looks like the cone's going this way, not 100%, but looks like it. So come up this side, and we're just going to have a little drift back through the middle. It's fairly deep, 17 meters, but see if we can get something to a mackie or something to eat. Bombs away. Pressure, boy. Yeah, heat pressure. Uh-oh, I've hooked my own fucking jumper here. It's just hooked a mackie on surface. It came right up to the surface too, eh?
Yeah.
Pretty cool strike. Pretty sure it's a mackie anyway. Oh, this stayed pretty deep. It didn't really have a blistering run at the start. Maybe it's a G or something. That does look like GT. That tail slap. Oh, silver. Which doesn't mean much. Is that your leader? Oh, can't say you got a long leader, boy.
Mackie!
No, a cobia. Cobia. Yeah.
Oh, is it a shark?
No, it's a cobia. Like a black kingfish. It's a big one too, and boy do they go ballistic. Oh, we're gonna have some trouble here. Shit. Where's my dollar? Got it.
Fuck yeah.
How good. That's a pretty big one too, man.
Is it?
Yeah.
Never caught one before.
Gee. Anthony just top watering one of these. Pretty sick. It was proper top water, like you could see the splash. Yeah. Plenty of bait around today, so old cobia. Black kingfish. Boat destroyer. Okay, just going for a little troll over the reef here. I'm not sure what I've hooked, eh? You reckon it's a mackie? I don't have much drag on. At all.
Could be reef. Wow.
Unless it's like a trouty or something's come up. Just trolling around, having a little bit of a look. What have I got?
Dobby.
Little doggy mackerel or something. Hey, there's a little dog on him. Just pulled up on this bit of a flat here. I was going to gun it past it for the next little bit, but he's got a couple of hits pretty fast, so just have to have a few casts at least. Yeah.
Oh, I saw that.
Yeah. Well, I stopped to see it coming. I'm like, oh, yeah. There it is. It's a very big grassy. Is it a grassy?
Yeah, it looks like a grassy.
It's a fat one, man. It's a grassy, sweet. Well, maybe it's not coming home. Cool little fish. I'm gonna bring a fly rod out to the reef one day and just absolutely destroy my whole fly line. I'll just catch something to get pulled through a bommy. Whole fly line will just be absolutely mangled. Hey! Yeah, boy! Oh, it's looking a bit more promising. Trouty, or what are you calling it? Full click?
Trout. Yep.
Is it a trout?
Oh no!
No.
What?
Another one of them.
You dirty dog. Oh, is that active or fucking?
Oh no. I'm just getting a drone ready. Anthony's having a quick cast here. I'll put it up as we float over a couple bombies, see if we see anything or get a hit. Nearly up.
Oh, he came off.
Oh, fuck. Jesus. That one caught me by surprise. Half a crank in, I had a dunk. Literally I might land like dunk. Just pulls up like rock solid. Look to trout. Anthony's got a trout. Woo! Oh, you're shitting me. I was gonna say we could have dual photos here.
BMC singles. Fuck.
Nice little trouty. I
Picky,
can see him following it for ages.
Oh, true.
It's like, just take the freaking thing. It's like, you know when you get 2 or 3 of them on a rock and they're all fighting for it. I'm like, what are you doing? He's blind. Little flaps trout. Pretty standard. Chasing little stick baits across here. So, can't complain with that, he'll be tasty.
Fuck yeah. Trout skin chips. Yeah, good.
Trout everything. Oh, he's a bloody mile away. Not sure what side of the you'd have cast on him. We've got a skipjack. It's a skip trout. Oh, got a bump. Unreal. Don't muck around. Hey. Oh yes. Yes, a beauty.
Yes.
Pretty sure I just outdone you, mate.
Oh, my fucking thing froze up.
Keep chucking some pliers. I don't really want to stand down there in case that trout flicks around. Put it a tiny bit lower, yeah. Oh! Straight up. Look at these bombies, they're friggin' sick.
Big scent.
Oh, bugger. I'm like looking at you, turn around, they're just swimming away. Hey, that's him, boy. Yeah, boy. He seems alright. Trouty, eh? Yep. Oh, what the frig? Oh, nah. Paddle tail. Sure, that thing.
No, I'm not sure where, but fucking the American guy I went out with, he was cutting one up, filleting one. And
what?
His numbs went all fucking numb.
Filleting one?
Yeah.
Did he get spiked or?
I think he got spiked.
Because they reckon if it's ciguataria is real bad, you can like touch the flesh and wipe it around your lips and you'll go like funny, eh? Just from the ciguataria.
Because he didn't know when he first came here, because he went out with a bunch of other guys.
And he's just like, filleting it up.
Yeah, they caught fucking heaps of these.
Jesus. Lucky it did do that. Pretty be dead. Far out. Pulled up for a second. It's a stray. What is it? No, far out. I thought it was for a second. I was like, get fucked. Oh, another fairly big one of these things. Not big enough, but. Oh, he's got a tumour.
True.
It's Arnold Schwarzenegger. I got a tumour.
Alan, get to the chopper.
Get to the chopper. I got a tumour. Hey! He's chucking fish at me.
Did spit out something.
Yeah. Look at
that. You know what? It's been fucking sucking.
Hey,
Herpes of the fucking.
a bit of a harsh release, huh? You gotta drop him in the water and bounce him off the. Come on. I've just been busted on this by something massive. Anthony just jumped in trying to find me lure I just lost. and he spotted a big cray under a rock. Massive cray. Is that my mask?
It's yours.
Yeah, righto.
Sorry, I just gotta grab it.
No, you're right. You reckon you got a good chance of grabbing it?
I'll try.
I don't want to come too close so I spook it.
They're like stripies, man, with polka dots on them. Like sweet leaves, but they're fucking big. There's a couple of them down there.
It's already on.
Ah, sweet. I'll just chuck the gloves off first.
Yep. Back on this bommy.
Which one did you hook? Oh, yeah, you hooked them up just here, on the edge.
I'm pretty sure like right where we are now, and we're over there or something. Oh, far out, he nearly had me.
Good on ya.
Oh, how close did he come to having me? Brass. Passion fruit, boy. You might have seen the end of that fight. Didn't need to go for a little bomby here. Chucked down with this Rapala X-Wrap. I've rigged up like a complete retard. Like, doesn't even swim. Oh, man,
as long as it flashes, the fish will get to it.
Yeah, as long as it flashes and you just move it like it's retarded, the fish love it. So there you go. Nearly pulled me out the back, this bastard. He's just hooked onto a mackie, I think. I hope. We all hope. Chucking around this reef, been watching them swim around, but they just haven't wanted to eat, so yeah, besides on the ate my lure and bit me off. So we'll see how he goes. Not much luck at the moment, there's a fair chance he'll lose it. The electric's turned off so he can't get caught up in the prop, except for might bomby knocker him when you get him up, eh?
Yeah.
Stun him a bit. Leave it on that. You calling it for Mackie? Yeah. Surprised you're swimming on that side. I wouldn't be surprised if we changed the sides now.
GT! Looks like it.
It is.
Is it?
I reckon it is, yeah.
Oh, fucking yay. Honestly.
It is, right, or what?
Yeah,
it is. Want me to grab it or?
Yeah, please.
Pull, I guess. Pull string.
Heavy?
Yeah. I don't know. 8 kilos. You want a photo with him?
Yeah, cheers, man.
I'm just listening.
Oh.
We're just out here and we're not sure if this whale over is stuck. It's only six meters here and he's in similar, but there is another whale in over here as well. And he doesn't appear to be stuck, but this one over here has got me a bit worried. He's a big boy.
Yeah, he doesn't look too good.
What the fuck, man? He's got to be stranded or what? You got reception?
Nah, I was gonna try. Oh, call my mate White. See if he knows.
It is moving, I think. You reckon it is? Or are we just moving towards it?
Nah, is it upside down?
Yeah, it is now.
Whoa, dude. Did he get hit by a fucking shipping?
Ship or something?
Yeah.
No, he's moving now. See how he just rolled over? That's moving. That's definitely moving.
Finally.
He might have just got off. Yeah, boy, good work, mate.